All right, so last video was on subcomponents. This one is on subcomponent builders. So we commented out the builder when activity component was a component, but now it is a subcomponent. So first things first, let's change this to electric motor module. And the reason is because, electric motor module. I want you to see the difference using different modules, ones that use classes versus abstract. Electric motor module is abstract. You can see here. All right, so going back here to activity component, let's uncomment out the builder. And we need to change this to a subcomponent builder because it's a subcomponent. Get rid of that unused import. We don't need this. Okay, and that looks good. We're binding instance to expose horsepower and cylinders. Their name qualifiers are there. Okay, so let's go to app component. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that. Get rid of that. Okay, now we're going to change this to we don't want it to. Let's get rid of this. We're not using the gas engine module. We're going to change this to activity component builder, and we'll change the function name to be called get activity component builder. Name it more appropriately. Now let's go to main activity, and we're no longer doing this, so let's call get activity component builder. We're going to specify horsepower, our runtime variables. This is electric, so it's at least 1,000 horsepower because electric vehicles are cool. Cylinders 0, and call build on this builder. Let's format that. Let's get rid of the unused import. Now let me go ahead and build it. Let's get logcat. Let me clear this out. And then after it's done building, I'm going to run it. I'm running it now. And we will test. Let's see. Okay, we have a driver, same instance, and we have car. Same instance. Now let's rotate it. Rotate destroys and recreates the activity. Let's see what happens. So here's the second one. All right, driver still the same as the first one, 5C1A. 5C1A, so that's good. That means our driver is, we have a singleton driver across the application scope, which is what we wanted. And then car, DA4B, it's different than the first time we ran it, which means this is tied to the old activity and this is the new one. If we rotate it again, we'll get a new car. So that's exactly what we wanted. All right, I'm going to stop this, commit this. Let's see, added subcomponent builder. All right, I will put a link to the GitHub in the description, and go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll keep making more.